Hello everyone. Welcome to Luma Slow English. Listen, repeat and learn. Today's topic is my hobbies. Level A1 beginner. Sit back, relax and enjoy. What is a hobby? A hobby is something I like to do. I do it in my free time. I do it after work or after school. Hobbies are fun. Hobbies help me relax. One of my hobbies is reading. I read books, stories and magazines. I read at home. I read in the park. My favorite books are mystery books. Sometimes I read adventure books too. I also like listening to music. I listen to music every day. I listen in the morning, in the car, or before bed. I like pop music and calm music. Music helps me feel happy. I enjoy watching movies. I watch movies on TV or on my phone. My favorite movies are comedies. I like funny movies. Sometimes I watch cartoons too. I love drawing and painting. I draw with pencils. I paint with colors. I draw animals, flowers and people. Drawing helps me feel calm. I like going outside. I walk in the park. I walk with my dog. I also ride my bicycle. I like fresh air and nature. Another hobby is cooking. I cook in the kitchen. I make pasta, soup, rice and eggs. Sometimes I bake cookies or cake. I love cooking for my family. Sometimes I play games on my phone. I like puzzle games. I also play word games. It is fun and good for the brain. Some people have other hobbies. Some like gardening. Some like dancing. Some like swimming or fishing. All hobbies are good. They make us happy. They help us rest and enjoy life. Now, tell me about your hobbies. Write in the comments. What do you like to do? Do you read, draw or cook? Listen again and repeat. This was Luma Slow English. See you next time.